I have had a handful of items coming my way, so I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I'm guessing this is a KiwiEars Quintet, if I'm not wrong. But I'm willing to be proved wrong. In any case, let's have a look. Whatever it is, these packagings are not exactly of the easier type, but we will have a look. Yes, KiwiEars Quintet. 5 drivers here. I'm not sure if they have mentioned the driver setup. Yeah, 10 DLC, 1 piezo, 2 BA, and 1 plana. So in total, 4 type of drivers and 5 drivers in total. Quintet, KiwiEars. Priced at around $220. It is available here in India at 21,000 rupees and is supposed to be one of the best IEM around this price range of under $250. KiwiEars. Yes, the set of drivers used really make it feel capable, but let's find out what we get when we pay $220. The good thing is that these earpieces are not of the larger size. These are decent. I'll not say these are small or anything, but they are not very big or anything like that. Kind of an inch, less than an inch in size, and should fit nearly any ear without any issues. I do not think we are getting a lot of accessories here. 3.5 cable, not of the modular type either, and some generic set of tips. Nothing special at all here. And booklet on KiwiEars. This is fairly pedestrian when it comes to the set of accessories. It doesn't have anything fancy or anything like that. So the case is of decent quality. I'll not say anything great or anything bad about it. There is decent amount of space inside it, and there isn't anything to write home about or anything like that. So this is a fairly simple, straightforward packed IEM, and I'll compare it with the QOA aviation. We will see how that 4 driver IEM will compare with this 5 driver quintet. So this is the unboxing of KiwiEar Quintet. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.